Hello, folks! I'm so glad you came to Zenon's farm. Someone's knocking at the door.
Knock, knock!
Who is it? Kids, do you know which animal goes cock-a-doodle-doo? It's Bartolito the rooster! Come in, Bartolito!
Bartolito was a rooster on a quiet little farm. When the sun came up, Bartolito crowed like this.
There's someone else at the door.
Knock, knock!
Who is it? Kids, do you know which animal goes cheep cheep? It's little yellow chickadee!
Hooray!
Come in, chickadee!
Yes!
This is the farm with little birds and bunnies jumping all around. The turkeys gobble.
Who could it be now?
Knock, knock!
Who is it? Kids, do you know which animal goes croak? It's the frog!
Hooray!
Come in, frog!
Yes!
At the farm, there is a ranch full of animals.
We seem to have a lot of visitors today.
Knock, knock!
Who is it? Kids, do you know which animal goes meow? It's kitty cat!
Hooray!
Come in, kitty cat!
Yes!
The story I'm about to tell happened a while ago when we went to have some fun out on Zenon's farm.
Well done, kids!
Hooray!
So many animals came!
Goodbye!